Well, as we're kind of killing time along the way, I've been noticing that the little latch here has been kind of a little loose. Well, it turns out it's mounted with mounting tape. So I'm sure glad I caught it in time before it went in the ocean. And man, can you imagine how much pain it would be to source one of these guys? So anyway, luckily when we were at the Lowe's, actually before our trip started, I bought some mounting tape just in case. Because these handles back here are also mounted with mounting tape. So yeah, so when we get to port or where we were going, I'll just actually scrape that stuff up, put some new mounting tape on it, and call it good. But yeah, pretty awesome, isn't it?
So earlier today, Mo brought up the situation of the little handle on the starboard window at the helm. So he's been busy scraping away the old adhesive.
Yep.
And so
it's time to put the new adhesive on. I think a lot of people wonder how these actually get stuck. Well, it turns out if you use it's called mounting tape or molding tape. So 3M makes it. So they come in different widths and varieties. I believe this was bought at an AutoZone. And this is also the same stuff that you actually stick the window handles on, believe it or not. So we're gonna, I cleaned this up pretty well with some alcohol. So next step is we're gonna cut this 2 sides. We'll put it on here. And then I think I'm gonna use the actual window latch here to make sure this gets placed correctly. So, but yeah, anyway, go figure. It's double-sided tape is what holds this thing together. So let me get some tape cut and we'll put it on, see how it works. Mounting tape on roughly. And then we're going to go ahead and use a pair of box cutters, which I happen to have on the boat, to cut around it and finish the edges. So yep, even kitchen appliances or tools can become in handy. So we'll go ahead and cut it. Okay, voila. This guy's ready to go. Now the trick is making sure we don't put this guy exactly where he needs to go. Just screen off real quick. We'll go ahead and close this. And this needs to go somewhere around there. Right?
yeah, something like that.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll peel it back. Okay, so we have kind of grab a flashlight to see how exactly we're going to do this. Because once it goes on, it is on. Okay, so there's that. Lean into it for a bit. And then literally don't mess with it for a while.
Yep.
So we'll just kind of put some pressure on here for a little bit.
So I guess we won't be opening up that window tonight.
Well, we can open it up. We'll just have to be, 2 hands at once.
Okay.
And that is how you fix one of these latches. Pretty simple. Awesome. This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.